Hey friends, and welcome to another unboxing review. Today I'm checking out the iGarden SwimJet X series. No installation required with like screws or anything like that. Create a current or whatever. So here it is, pretty small. This can just be rolled around very easily. This isn't even that heavy. Pop these out and turn this around. Out like that, and this is just going to go right on our pool, and this is adjustable to whatever height you need it to be, and then we just stick these in there to whichever one and turn it and lock those into place there. Okay, and that holds that. Check that out. It's got a nice little handle on there, charging cables for the battery. And here's our in and out. There's our in. Here's our out cord. And that basically just gonna plug right in there and run this thing for us. So pretty sweet. I'm gonna get this charged up, take it to the pool, and try it out here. Are you tired of your old swimming pool with nothing to do? Well, let the iGarden SwimJet X Pro change all that.
Yo, stop. I almost got it! I almost got it! What was that? Yeah, put it on.
All right, let's get this thing set up. As you can see, it's got nice little wheels on the bottom. Very easy to just wheel it over to your location where you want it to. The battery's got the nice carry handle on there as well. So I like that that you don't have to plug this into a wall outlet or anything like that. And the battery lasts a long time. Just super easy. Adjust the height of the stand to whichever fits your pool best. You want the jet outlet a little bit like even or below the surface of the water, and then just plug in your cable. This is so easy. I like how it's just very portable, lightweight, user-friendly. I mean, this thing is really cool. You can transform your pool in just a matter of minutes. Plug it in and set up the app, and you're good to go here. Okay, here we are in the iGarden app. We're going to go to Add Device, scroll down to our SwimJet X, put in our password, next. Okay, simultaneously press this and the other button. Just confirm that it's flashing. It is flashing. Next step, right there. Next step, connected, pair. Okay, it's added. Then we just press the desired speed that we want on the app, and it immediately starts putting out a flow of water. I think this is on level 3 here, and then it's very responsive to the app. So as soon as you click it over or switch to it, it immediately goes to that speed that you want. And this is very impressive. You can see that even though we don't have to screw this on to the deck or anything like that, it's very stable. You don't really have to worry about it falling off or anything like that. And if it does, you do have that little cable that you can attach it to the ground or stake it down if you want to. You can see that this just a lot of water being moved here. I'm not exactly sure the gallons per minute on this, but it's very impressive. All right, so been going for like 8 minutes here, and there's still plenty of battery life left on this thing. Works really good. It's super powerful. You can see it's just really easy to connect. It's not even that heavy. I don't know. It puts out a lot of water. So right here is on low, and we can see if we turn this up a little bit that the amount of water coming out here is pretty insane. Now that's just on number 2 there. You can see it really increases the flow. We'll go up to 3. It's a ton of water. Up to 4. And then we have, and this is like the workout. It starts a countdown on there for 4 minutes. This definitely makes exercising in your pool quite a bit easier. Instead of swimming laps back and forth, and having to turn around and all that. You can just swim in place with this, and you can set different speeds and also the time that you want your exercise to go for. So it does it automatically. So, hey, I want to swim for this amount of time at this speed, then you can do it. Whether you want a leisurely swim or something more advanced, that's something this can handle with no problem. This is on 1 here. This for casual, like swimming against it. On 4, it's like literally so fast. It's really difficult to swim against. Is that like a nice pace there?
Yeah.
You're doing
this
it.
This is like game level. Like.
Yeah. You get like exercise in. All right, you got 10 minutes. Go.
You think I can do that?
You try.
Oh, God. Huh?
Try to swim against it. Wow, he's doing it. It's the ultimate cardio. You did it, Dave.
Why did your mouth look so big? Okay, go. Go. Am I doing it? Dude, try it. Level 1. Yeah! That is level 1. Level 2.
Alright, kick it into high gear, level 2. Come on, 2. You're not going anywhere. Come on. Keep going. Oh, but there's a group behind you. Oh, obstacle. Come on. Come on. Keep pushing. Couldn't do it on level 2. Couldn't do it. Couldn't beat it on level 2. Crazy.
Okay. I'll beat it. It's not possible. Hey, it's an obstacle course. I'm having a great time. I can't. That's good, huh? Wait, I got it.
Good workout.
I got it.
You're gonna be really hungry.
So I'm gonna give you a push. Give him a push. Ah! Give him a push. Catch up. Push you.
All right, friends. Well, as you can see, this thing is a lot of fun. It just really adds to the things that you can do in your pool. I think you can even boogie board on this thing, which is pretty amazing. So the motor portion features an IP68 waterproof rating, so it's basically submersible and it's not going to have any issues. And the battery is an IP65 waterproof rating, so you don't have to worry about it getting splashed on and things like that. Features a nice anti-entanglement protective grill, so if you have like debris in your pool, it's not going to get sucked in there and damage the motor or anything like that. It also has an auto power cutoff just in case something happens with low voltage too, so it's not going to electrocute anyone. This all around is just a great way to enhance your pool experience. The battery on this thing, I'm not even sure how long it lasts. We probably had this motor running for a good portion of the day, and it was still like 3 bars out of 4. So I was very impressed with the battery life, with the power of the motor. The app is super user-friendly, very easy to set up, and if you don't want to use the app, the battery box itself has a little button on there that you can control the flow with if you want to. So all around, just a great device, my friends. If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to link it in the description below. If you guys have any comments or questions about this, I'll try to answer them as well. Anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it's helpful. You guys have a great day out there, and I'm going to see you all next time.
Still got a lot of battery left on this thing.